Yo, what is up? I am Tim Westwood and welcome to Pimp My Mark II Golf Stories. Whoa, okay. I'm obviously not Tim Westwood, but this is Mark II Golf Stories. Today, back with a GTI and we're doing another bodywork episode. So let's get to it. Okay, so as you may or may not remember, this old girl went in for some body work a while ago. She had an MOT a couple of weeks ago and she failed on body work. So I've got someone coming down to fix it and sort it out for us. We're going to see how it's done properly. Okay, so let's have a look at what needs to be done. This segment here at the front was supposedly repaired a while back, but it's failed on the MOT. There's a big hole here. So this is going to be cut out and replaced. And there's a little bit further back here which also needs doing. Can you see that? Just here. Also have a hole here, so that needs cutting out as well. Hopefully the chap should be able to do that, bend it all in shape. But before we can do any of that, we need to take out the carpet and the seats at the front so it doesn't catch on fire. So I'm going to do that very quickly. First thing we need to do is remove this protective strip over the carpet. Normally there's a couple of screws at either end, well mine there isn't, because why would there be? And this should just pull off gently. Now if I could do it without breaking any clips, that's great. So just very gently prise it up, it should pop off. See, I managed to break 2 clips myself there, so I guess it's not that easy after all. For the seat, just slide it back. And then at the front, there's a little thing here, little thumb screw you have to undo, which will allow you to slide the seat out backwards. There's one part, there's the other. Then the seat just lift it up, slide it back. Take this out, and this one. The carpet should just lift up. Yep, that's quite a hole there. Come right the way through. Yep. Right, this needs to come up. Oh dear. That's quite easy actually.
Got some white spirit?
Not at the moment.
Got some wires that's near it and all, haven't you?
Get that bit up there as well. Right here. Yeah, I'm gonna. And this bit here?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's rusty there as well. Yeah, it's only put some rust cure on it. Right.
That's alright.
That's just scrape up now.
No, it's basically all with black glue and you're trying to get off.
That's all the white spirit I've got, so.
Right, that's the best I can do. There's the other hole. First thing we need to do is to obviously disconnect the battery so we don't get any shorts. Okay, so the guy's just turned up to do the welding and look what he's turned up in. It's a pretty sweet Type 2. So So this is Titch's van. Let's have a little look around it. If you guys like, maybe we can do a feature on it and have a proper look with Titch himself. See what he's done on it. If that's something you'd be interested in, let me know beneath, because I know he's done a few things to it. I know he had a new engine put in it, a custom made engine, and a Mark II steering rack, so I'm pretty sure he's got some other interesting bits and bobs about it. And if you'd like to learn more, yeah, let me know and see what we can do. There is a patch there.
Yeah.
Oh, that might have been Albie that a while back.
Oh, right.
My mate, but I mean the front of it, because there was a great big hole around there.
Yeah.
It's just supposed to have patched up.
Right.
Who knows?
The mind wanders, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Right, I'll get it all cleaned up.
Yeah, I'll stop bothering you.
That's it, and I'll get cutting, put some steel in it.
Coolio. So he's just going to cut around the jacking point and take that off as well, just so you know, pretty sure it's solid, but just to be 100% sure, one less thing to worry about, and it's going to make putting a new piece in a bit easier as well.
Lift the books and see if you can get some longer ones. You see if you can get some Martin's longer ones. Just might figure one out, what's on Jack?
Just doing that.
Oh yeah.
There we go. That's a bit closer to the seat rail for my liking, this hole here. Luckily, I've got an expert here to sort it out. Not a cowboy. Not a cowboy, are you, Titch?
Not that I know of.
There we go. One big hole, no rust. Yay! New bit going in. Do you enjoy welding, Titch?
Do I enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's great fun.
Cool.
Nothing like blinding yourself on a day.
Okay, that's the welding done in there. Just going to grind it all back, give it a tidy up, and then whack some seam sealer on it. And we are MOT ready. Thanks, dude.
It's alright.
Okay, so there we go. That's the inside seam sealed. And here, underneath has also been seam sealed and covered with under seal. So, oh, it's probably a bit wet actually, tacky. Yeah, still wet that. But yeah, that should be nice and solid. Should pass the MOT with that. So all that's left to do now is give these little bits of paint. When it's dry, put the carpets back down, put the seat back in, and then we're good to go. So there we go, that's this all welded up. It should be good and strong, ready for its MOT now. Once again, thanks for watching. Leave a comment, click on subscribe, leave a like, give it a share, all that good stuff. Come back for next week's episode. It's a good one. It's going to be special. Thanks a lot. See you soon.